So come on, Mamu.
Okay, okay.
You will never know.
That's okay.
You
Oh,
just
that
always.
God, I can suck out the blood.
Yeah, don't mess with my mom.
This is not the proper way of eating a momo. Mr. Know-it-all. That's his most annoying habit.
Yeah.
Society leke bhanla. It's okay to be gay.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Relationship.
What rubbish. Only when it's time for TikTok, he'll come buttering me up. So he has always been an entertainer and still is.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Today I'm here with Mamu. First
Hello.
YouTube video where we're making one together. Today is going to be quite interesting because we are going to do a mukbang video. We both are very conscious of eating in front of the camera.
Especially me.
So today, Momo Master Kiran Dai has sent us some momos. I'm trying the buff momo, Mamu's trying the chicken momo. And while we are eating our momo, we've heard a lot about this place. We're going to answer each other questions that you guys have asked us on
Look
Instagram.
forward to it.
Are you or you know?
Yes, yes. I don't know what the questions are. He hasn't told me what the questions are.
She's like, tell me. I'm like, no, I'm not telling you. It's all going to be a surprise.
I have fasted for 16 hours, intermittent fast. So
And me
I'll be
18.
gobbling the momos now.
Let's see how these momos look. We'll
So
open.
this is Kiran Daiko momo.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I've never tasted Kiran Daiko.
Me too.
momos. Nice. Should we start? Because I'm really famished.
I'm gonna just go the desi way. Put it all there. I'm gonna make Mamu open up. It's the first video, so come on, Mamu.
Okay, okay.
Are you ready for the first question?
Okay. Let's go for it. So how does it go? You ask the question and then we eat the momo?
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to talk with my mouth full.
We get to eat a momo only after we answer a question, okay?
Okay.
A very common question. 80% of you have asked that. But Asta Shakya, my Twitter friend, has asked this question. How do you look so young, auntie? Drop beauty secrets. So what is one thing that you can say makes you look very young?
Firstly,
That keeps you young.
thank you Asta for this question. And firstly, I think it's genetics. Secondly, you have to take care of your skin. And I have been taking care of my skin since I have been like literally in my 20s.
Mm-hmm.
And third, I don't take any stress. If there's stress coming or anything triggering towards me, I just push it away. So when you don't have stress, you automatically look young.
So I guess take care of your skin, which is obviously important. Genes play a role. I hope I get your genes, Mamu. And the third was which one? Just stress-free.
Stress-free, I mean like.
So it's quite simple. Great. Let's have our first bite of momo.
Okay, let's go for it.
Excited?
Yeah, yeah. Oops.
Oh god.
Very yum. So the paratha.
Second question. Now the question is to me.
So the question is from Sampada,
Okay.
and it says, "Why is Parag so cute? When will his fans get an opportunity to meet him?"
Thanks. I feel shy when people compliment me. No, I was planning a meet and greet, but things are getting bad now with the COVID cases, so I don't think it'll be responsible enough for me to have a meet and greet. But I think we should do a Zoom meeting or something soon. But once things get better and once everyone gets vaccinated, definitely going to do a fun meet and greet. For
I'll
sure.
join in also, just
Yes.
to say hello.
Come on, another bite.
Okay, now I need to take out a little
Ah.
bit of this maida because I don't have too much of this maida. So can I get rid of some maida? Wait, I can't eat so fast like you.
Okay, this is an interesting question, but I think it's an obvious answer also. So Aditya TK underscore asks, is she scared of aging?
Oh, that's a good question. No, I'm not scared of aging. I think one should age gracefully, but if there are tools to make you look young, why not go for it too? When I'm in my 60s and suddenly my jawline starts drooping, and if there is some technology which really pulls it up, I don't mind doing it. So far, touch wood, at 51, there is nothing I have to do. If I exercise, I think
It works out, yeah?
It works out, but probably one could never say in the 60s, but I'm not scared of aging.
That's interesting. Good to know. Great, we can have another bite.
Oh, sure.
She likes momo without the maida, which is
Maida
actually
very
healthy.
thick. Okay, now this one is interesting. It's by Jasmine Danai.
Okay. What's the
Will
question?
he marry anyone?
Oh God, this is one of the most common questions people in Nepal ask. Two questions, khana khano bhayo, which means have you eaten your food? And the second one is, will you marry anyone? When will you marry? I don't know, will I marry anyone? If I find someone that's worth marrying, I'll definitely marry. Otherwise, maybe not, but it's not a prerequisite that I have to marry anyone.
Exactly, that's true. When you
See,
find
my mom's also saying that.
yeah,
so-
when you find someone who truly loves him and he truly loves, go for it.
Mhm.
But
What? Okay, this is by Glam Behavior, Supriya.
oh, let's
So
see.
it's an interesting question. One product you can't live without.
Which you can't live without is my face wash for sure.
Okay.
Because I'm into this habit of washing my face twice a day.
Mhm.
I mean, I have to keep my skin squeaky clean, whether I'm sitting in the house also, I have to wash my face before I go to sleep, or whether I wake up in the morning also, I have to use a face wash. So the one product I can't do without is my face wash.
Okay. Nice.
I'm sorry I'm having it like this, but I don't have too much of maida also.
That's good. My mom's a little conscious, but she'll open up. This is the
imagine-
first video. It took me 6
that
videos.
also eating a momo, you can imagine how conscious I am.
I'm the same.
So anyway, Shreyasha Swing.
Okay.
Shreyasha Swing has asked this question. Is Parakram dating anyone? When was the last time you dated someone?
You will never know who I'm dating. Well, the thing is, when I date someone, not even my mother knows about it. Okay, no one knows about it. I'm very secretive about my private life, isn't it?
Which is fair enough. Why should I know?
So, literally, it's me and the person I date who knows it most of the times. Like 98% of the time. So, you'll never know that I do leave a little clues and hints on social media. So, you guys have to like stalk me properly to understand if I'm really dating someone or not.
I see. I'm going to
Mom.
look for those clues and hints now. Okay.
Okay,
It's
we
very
can use-
secretive, by the way.
I wanna try one of your chicken. Can I try?
Sure, please try it.
So it's my turn now.
Again, another question.
So Grazi_Goto has asked a question. Is she a vampire?
That I am.
Why?
God, I can suck out the blood. Somebody, if that person pisses me off, my two fangs will come out and I'll suck the blood out of the person.
But I think she meant it in a way that you don't age.
Oh,
You're just
that
always frozen in
Oh,
time.
thank you for that. But
I hope so.
otherwise, also, literal sense and literal meaning, also, I'm a vampire.
Yeah, don't mess with my mom.
No fangs will come out.
Great, we can have one
That's
more.
a nice
Should we-
question. Who was that?
Okay, so we're asking each other so many questions, so we've taken a break from eating a momo so that we can ask each other more questions, you know?
Yeah.
Go ahead, mom.
Yeah, I feel very hungry. Yeah.
No, really.
No, I'm rude to do that. I'm very hungry, sorry. Dare say it.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm really hungry, but I'm not open no more. So,
That's okay.
Okay, forget it. I'm not talking to you. This is really... How to not care about what people say. He is so positive.
Thank you. How to not care about what people say. I think basically focus on the positives and focus on the people who love you. Obviously, it may not be possible to do so if most of the people are negative and like hating on you. So I think just focus on the people who love you. That's very important. And also, if the negative people have some constructive criticism, then understand what's wrong. But apart from that, if there's just negativity, throw it out, block it out.
It's their journey. They are negative for some reason. Probably they
Yeah.
didn't.
Yeah.
Something didn't go well with them, so they're
Yeah.
negative. Probably everyone doesn't have the platform,
Yeah,
or they can't come out in the open. A lot of people, are very
true.
angry within themselves. So we have to give everyone.
Yeah.
We should walk in everyone's footsteps. I mean, isn't it?
Yeah, no, but
Look at him. He's dying to gobble.
That's
There's like huge momo in here. This is not the proper way of eating a momo, but unfortunately, I think by the time you're asking so many questions, it's become very cold, it's become very hard, and I don't eat so much maida.
okay.
Let me
Hey,
finish
okay.
up. Okay, ready for the next question.
So 90% of the questions are how you're so beautiful, what keeps you young. So next time if you guys are asked to ask questions, just ask something else now, because I want to reply to all your questions.
Something witty and funny, like the vampire one.
The vampire one was fun. This is Sonia Bhandari. How do you maintain your body? Do you also go to the gym?
Okay, hi Sonia. No, I don't go to the gym. In fact, I've been to the gym once in my life. I I like to do my exercises at home. So I start the day with yoga. My daughter, who's a Hatha Yoga teacher, has taught me a lot of Hatha Yoga exercises, which I do. It takes me 1 hour, 30 minutes. And then in the evenings, I do my strength training. And late in the evenings, I go for a 1 hour walk. And then I watch what I eat. Today I'm eating this momo with so much maida. Otherwise, momo happens once in a while.
And then your dinner is light.
And my dinner is light. I don't have carbs at night. I try to avoid carbs.
Okay, next.
Okay, this question is from Chu. And he says, how was Para when he was a small child? I think he should have asked, he asked me that question,
Yeah,
no?
but I'm asking me because there are more questions for Mamu than me. So you tell me, let's see.
He was the cutest kid. Oh my God, he used to love to eat.
Till
He used to
now.
love to act even when he was like 3-4 years old. He used to get all the helpers in the house and he used to conduct plays and all these little skits, and he used to be doing all these drama and all these things, and we had to come, our whole family members, we had to come cut a little ticket, pay money and watch his plays. And such drama used to keep happening throughout his childhood. It was so much fun when he used to come home from his childhood thing. So he has always been an entertainer and still is. So it's nothing new to him.
This is by Sampada on .896. She's asked me also. Thank you, Sampada, for asking from both sides.
Okay.
What did you want Para to be when he was growing up?
Seeing how creative and how he was always in this line. I thought he's going to be some actor or something. I really thought he was, because all the time it was always drama. He had his little camera. He used to click pictures all around the house, photography, pictures, dancing, music. That was all he did all the time.
Yeah.
So I said, this guy's definitely going to be an actor.
And then I think soon after I realized I want to be a director, and then you all were supportive.
You were supportive in everything you do. You should always be supportive in anything your children want to do. That's how you'll always make them happy and see their happiness. I mean, that's how it happens.
They were supportive always, because even like growing up, they made me take classes for video editing, Photoshop, in that field. And that's why I'm good now, because I don't think right now it would have been tough for me to learn editing.
Yeah.
The same
So
life.
if one day I think he should do a YouTube with all his videos when he was small, dancing with chunnis, and it's so hilarious. You have to see those videos and
Yeah,
plays
that'd
and
be
all
fun.
that. Do that, it'll be nice.
True.
Okay, I think this is the last question and the last momo.
No, there's more.
Is it?
There's one more plate.
I'm not going to have that. No
Okay.
way.
Okay, Mom. 3 more questions for you. First one is by Archie.
Archie, okay.
Archie.1920. Most annoying habit of Para.
Mr. Know-It-All. Oh my God, whether it's medicine, yeah, I know. He's a mini doctor, he's a mini everything. We cannot tell him anything, he knows it all. So bas, kaan samate raho, okay, bhanna parni. We have to do that. Oh, that's his most annoying habit. He
Okay.
has an answer to everything.
Typical mother-son
No,
relationship.
what rubbish. I don't have an answer to everything. I listen to other people.
Prashma.k asks, why is her accent Hindi while talking Nepali?
Oh, the Indian accent. Actually, my parents sent me to boarding school when I was 5 years old. So since then only, the Hindi and living in India, I got that accent. So when I got back here, it just that Hindi accent,
Stayed on, yeah.
Stayed on types.
So Kathmandu 066 asks, how did you react when you knew that your son was blessed by being gay? How sweet.
How
Blessed.
sweet. We were when he told us about it, we felt he could be, but he said, we were waiting for him to tell us that. And when he told us that, we were like, it's okay, Baba, we love you as you are. And you always our child and we are always your parents. And we let you, we let you move on and lead your life as you want. So
Yeah.
yes, he's a blessed child.
They were proud of me, but they were also worried a little, just how we may face.
We were worried. I was worried because he was going to college. So I said, don't start, have a look, because he was in an all-boys school. So I said, you're going to college where you're going to be interacting with girls also. So have a look, take your time, see if you really are into it. Then later on he sent me a lot of write-ups and all, and he says there is nothing to look. Once you are that, it's that, either that, this way or that way.
Yeah.
You know.
Or both ways.
So that's when I also learnt a lot. We read up, and then we realized, yes, this is how it is.
They were definitely very proud of me, but also they must have been
I'm very proud of him. Now, even more, is because he's helping other people who are in the closet.
Yeah.
And you know, he's like speaking out for them.
Or those that are out.
Helping out, and for other people, he's giving them a platform to say, come on, you know, it's okay to be gay. There's nothing wrong. There's no stigma.
It's okay to be gay. That
Yes.
rhymed.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
And there's no stigma attached to it. You are a normal human being. You're not abnormal.
True.
So, you know.
True. And like I said, they were very proud of me. Obviously, every parent will be concerned, like how are they going to face the world? Are they going to get bullied,
Initially.
discriminated? Till now, people still discriminate and bully us. So that is always a parent's concern.
Thanks to social media, a lot of people are aware.
Yeah.
There's so much to read about. There's so much information out there.
Yeah.
So it's so much easier
So
for
if she
everyone.
can do it, any parent can
Everyone
do it.
should do it. Why should you think what your society will say, what your family will say? Oh, it's why should we think of ourselves? It's for the child, their
Yeah.
happiness.
It matters how the person is. Na? I could be gay, straight, bi, lesbian, but as a person, if I'm a good person, that is what should matter.
Yeah,
And if
end of
people
the day, he's our child.
Yeah.
I don't want to lose him by saying, no, you have to marry somebody.
Yeah.
Society leke bhanla. You know, like
True.
things like, no way. All the parents out there, believe me, it's the 21st century. Do not ignore it if your children come and tell you that. Do not think of society. Do not think of yourselves and what people will say. Think of the child. Really? Okay, can we have Momo to
Yeah,
that?
let's have
Last Momo.
a
about the
Momo to that. So this question is by Pranati Rana. Hi Pranati.
Hi, Pranati.
So the question is, what type of activities do you two do together that makes it feel like bonding time?
Only TikTok. Otherwise, he never shows me his face the whole day. He's in his own world with his meetings and his 100 other things, exercises and all. Only when it's time for TikTok and a dance or something, he'll come buttering me up. Otherwise, he never shows his face. Very good question, Praniti. I see.
Bang on. Okay guys, I think this was fun. Mamu, how was it?
It was sort of fun. I mean, like, with such
Eating.
big momos in our mouth and big, gosh, that was like...
Yeah, it is
Anyway, I'm
hectic
conscious of eating, I mean, imagine stuffing a momo
in
and...
front of the camera. But you
It's a
did
big
well,
achievement.
Mamu.
Did I?
Yeah, you did well. You opened up and
I'm still stiff, huh?
I'll get the best shots, don't worry. And yeah, thank you all for tuning in.
And thank you, Kiran Dai, for this yummy momos. They're really, really delicious. You all should try it.
Yeah, it's
really
actually good. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. Do let me know in the comments below what other things you want me to make a video about. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.